in your English class. Today we will do question answers of chapter 9. As you know that yesterday we did the summary of the chapter, that was a book of simple living, which is written by Ruskin Bond, okay, who is a nature lover. So today we will do question answers. Question number 1. What happened during the storm? I know that in the beginning of the chapter, the author is saying that there was a snowstorm and light went off for 2 days, and heat from the cold was not enough. Actually, so right here, what happened during the storm? The writing, good handwriting. The storm raged for 2 days. The storm raged for 2 days. The lights went off. The lights went off, and heat from the cold was not enough. And heat from the cold was not enough. Not enough. This is the first answer, children. Remember, after doing the answer, you have to draw margin. So, skip one line. New students, please remember, you have to skip one line after writing the answer. Okay. And then question number 2. How does the author describe spring? Okay. Actually, the author says that when spring season is there, so what happened? Actually, he is describing the different phases of life only. That first of all, there is cold months are there, and after the cold, what happens there? There is spring season, means trees like that apricot, peach trees, different trees. He is talking about the different types of trees. I will provide you the PDF also, children. So listen. So peach, apricot, and cherry. All these trees are full of blossom, okay, and gentle breeze is there. After the harsh cold winter, there is gentle breeze, means changes are there. Change is the law of nature. Everything changes with the passage of time, and same message the author wants to give us by his writings. So he is saying that peach, apricot, and cherry trees are full of blossom, okay, means so many flowers are there, and after some days there will be fruits. So this is answer of second question. Again, you have to draw margin after writing this answer. Now the next, why did the author abandon his typewriter? Okay, abandon means leave something, left. Actually, you know that Ruskin Bond was a writer, okay, so he was writing. So earlier he was doing work with his typewriter, and afterwards he started writing with hand. Why? So the author abandoned his typewriter Why? Because, or you can write as he found writing by hands to be more physical and intimate. To be more physical and intimate. Means it was giving a good feeling when he was writing with the hand. For example, if you have to learn something, okay, you have Xerox pages, photostat is there and you are learning from that. It will not give good feeling to you, okay? You will not enjoy learning from that. But if there is something that you have written in your handwriting, obviously, definitely you will enjoy that. Why? Because it gives good feeling to us. So same was happening to him, that when he was typewriting, that he was using typewriter, then he was not feeling better, and after that he started writing with hands. Okay, so these are the 3 questions of chapter 9. Tomorrow we'll do rest of the questions. So that's all for today. Be safe, be happy. Thank you, children, and do your work in your best handwriting. Okay, bye bye.